This is LED lamp shell CNC lathe processing auto parts. It is made of aluminum alloy. Its shells adopted dissipate heat design, and can be customized. Application both indoor and outdoor. It has the absolute advantages of energy saving, environmental protection, low voltage, easy control, and long life. We adopt aluminum alloy. Arc-shaped multi-angle refraction reinforced glass. It can be waterproof, dustproof, anti-leakage, anti-corrosion. Therefore, our unique high-efficiency constant current technology ensures product stable operation.